Today we're going to discuss how to unclog a toilet. So first you want to start by finding the water shut-off valve, which is usually located on the bottom left-hand side. Turn that to the right. What that'll do is stop the toilet water from filling the bowl and overflowing onto the floor. Next, you want to grab yourself a plunger that has this nipple right here on it. So that way, once you put it inside the hole, it can have a good suction. What you want to do is decompress it slowly so it doesn't splash out and make a mess. And once it's fully pushed in, give it a couple of short strokes. Now it should be unclogged. Turn your water back on. Give it a couple of seconds to fill back up. Let's give it a go. Just make sure that your water's turned all the way back on. Sometimes it might take a couple of tries. If you see the water suck all the way down, you for sure know the clog is out. Just make sure you keep pressing and short stroking it until the pipe opens up and you hear it clear. Then you can give it its final flush to test it and make sure it's going down. Now, one other thing I like to do is have a bag ready, or a bag like this to stick the plunger inside of, just in case I have to walk out to the customer's home, or if it's your own personal toilet, you can move the plunger to another bathroom if that's where you got it from. But that way you don't get any poop or toilet paper on the floor or make a mess. But other than that, that's how you unclog your toilet.